Repair the fence, understanding everyday English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, repair the fence. This phrase is not only about fixing a physical barrier but also holds metaphorical meanings in everyday conversations. Let's dive into the depths of this phrase and uncover its various uses and nuances. Repair the fence literally means to fix or mend a fence that has been damaged or broken. A fence is a barrier, typically made of wood, metal, or wire, that encloses an area or separates one area from another. When we talk about repairing a fence, it involves activities like replacing broken boards, fixing loose nails, or straightening bent wires. This phrase is straightforward in this context and is often used in discussions about home maintenance or construction. In a metaphorical sense, repair the fence can mean resolving disagreements or misunderstandings between people. Just like a broken fence can leave a property unprotected, damaged relationships can leave individuals vulnerable. Repairing a fence in this context symbolizes the effort to mend relationships, rebuild trust, and establish clear boundaries or understanding between people. The phrase, repair the fence, can be used in various conversational contexts. For example, in a business setting, a manager might say, "We need to repair the fence with our clients," indicating the need to improve relationships or communication with clients. In personal relationships, someone might say, "I spent the weekend repairing the fence with my brother," meaning they worked on resolving a disagreement or misunderstanding. Repair the fence is often found in cultural references, such as literature or movies, symbolizing the act of reconciliation or fixing what's broken. Additionally, it's important to understand this phrase in the context of idiomatic expressions, where the meaning is not directly derived from the individual words but from the usage of the phrase as a whole. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, repair the fence, in both its literal and metaphorical meanings. Whether you're talking about actual fence repair or using it as a metaphor for fixing relationships, this phrase is a great example of the richness and depth of the English language. Keep exploring such phrases to enhance your English proficiency. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.